G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, warm cheeker, to another rip-roaring episode. Today we are talking registered trades. Whenever we do a bathroom or a home renovation extension, we always use registered trades. Now, what is a registered trade? I know what you're asking me. Oh, Uncle Jojo, what's a registered trade? So, a registered trade, just so you get it, is a tradesperson that has registration papers or has done certificates and is a professional in what they do. For example, being, here is what I prepared earlier. Plumbing, electrical. Even after 20 years as a professional builder, I still do not do my own plumbing or electrical. I get the professionals in that know how to do it, plus which make sure it's been done properly and to the code. What I mean by the code is it's done to the law, and that if anything goes wrong, it's covered both in my warranty insurance as well as with manufacturer specs and their supplies. Plus, the big thing of this is, as a builder, I'm registered as well, which means I need to register the people that come on my site to make sure that the works that they do is compliant with our NCC, National Construction Code, and the ASNZS, the Australian Standard and the New Zealand Standards. So it's really important that we make sure that we cover all of those bases. Not only that, but I also make sure that the wiring or the plumbing that we use is to the Australian standard. So we make sure that this wiring is compliant to our area, i.e. in Melbourne, Australia, this wiring is compliant for this. Same as if you come down here and check this out, even our plumbing fitting. So this is Rehow. And we only use Rehow for our plumbing because what it does is it makes sure that everything stitches in properly, and these are compressed together with a special tool. That way it can't pull out or pull apart from each other. All too often I hear of builders getting a lot of this stuff from overseas, and they say it's compliant, but I'm not sure to what standard it's compliant to. If we get it in Australia, made by Australians, or if you're in America or London, etc., England, you get those fittings and fixtures and all of that, all that jazz that's made in that area. If it's not, you need to make sure it's compliant with the area and the water pressures or the gas pressures or the electrical currents and all of that kind of stuff. We need to make sure that it works for that area. Because if it doesn't and it shorts out, we've got electrical and water in here. Give somebody a bit of a shocking experience. Or maybe if it's in a kitchen, you could have electrical and gas, which is even worse still. The whole explosive experience some people could have. So make sure that whatever you do in your home is compliant and you use the registered trades to do those. Any questions or queries about any of that and anything more, get over to me and I'll answer for you best I can whenever I can. Like always, stay on real banana peels, and I'll see you in the suit.